I would like to show you what you need to bear in mind when starting up the EX-TEC PM 580 for the first time. Switch on the PM 580 by pressing the on-off button for about 3 seconds. You will hear an audio signal and the red LED on the top of the housing will light up. Now we will see the language selection menu. Use the arrow keys to select the language of the PM 580. In this case, we will select English and confirm the selection with the Enter button. The PM 580 then prepares for measurement operation. You will see different information in different displays. First, the charge state is shown in the upper left corner of the display. Then the set alarms threshold of the different gases are shown one after the other. After the start screens, then the PM 580 switches to measuring mode. As long as no numerical value appears in the display fields, the 0 points of the sensors are still set. It is strictly necessary that you let the PM 580 run in fresh ambient air. The PM 580 is ready for operation.